Alright, today is February 17th. We got some more snow. As you can see, depending on the drifts, we could have anywhere from 2 to 5 inches. I'm gonna guess it's about on the low end. But a lot of people commented on my last video saying I could have saved time by moving the snow by hand. And so I wanted to show everybody my snow shovel that I've had for a couple of years. This is made by a company called the Snow Plow. Go to the snowplow.com, and it's a great little shovel that is the king of 2-inch snowstorms. It's absolutely the king. It's lightweight, it's plastic, it's not going to rust out or rot on you. The edge sharpens itself. It's made out of the same material industrial cutting boards are made out of in kitchens. So it's a great little tool to help make snowstorms a little bit easier. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to test it out a little bit, show you all how it works, and then of course what I'll end up doing is using my snowplow and my tractor. So let's see how it goes. we don't get any more snow for the rest of the year, and we can start doing some warm weather videos like fishing, motorcycling. So stay tuned.